There we go. Hey, welcome to the Cooking General Father's Day special. Hey, I got a lot of explanation, but y'all can probably read that in the description. But why y'all ain't see me? But hey, I got the kids gonna be coming over. They gonna bring their little dish and stuff, and then you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna go out and cook myself. They like, man, Dad, you ain't gotta cook. We're gonna take you out, but nah. I'm the Cooking General. I told them, nah, we gonna come on. We're gonna do this stuff right. Y'all cook y'all best dish, and I'm gonna do a little surprise for y'all too. So come on, let me show y'all what I'm gonna do. Now, I'm gonna do a taco spaghetti. I was gonna do a chili spaghetti, but a taco spaghetti my kids really like, and so they're gonna cost for like 2.5 pounds of ground meat. I'm gonna spank it a little bit. Couple things of taco seasoning. We got our tomato sauce. We got our rotel. Now we're gonna use bell pepper, and we're gonna top it off with some tomatoes, and we got our cilantro. Now you're also gonna need your pack of spaghettis. Now also gonna make some shrimp fries. Now to boot out there, you're gonna have potatoes. You're gonna need your cheese. You're gonna need a couple of eggs, olive oil, bacon, shrimp. Now you can use any kind of croutons, but this is the cheese and garlic croutons. Now I'm gonna boil my shrimp in some Old Bay seasoning. You're gonna need some sour cream, couple of eggs, black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Man, we're gonna do this here Father's Day special coming up. And hey, Cooking General, finna show you how to do it again. One more time. Happy Father's Day. Ask somebody. Okay. Welcome back to the Cooking General special. Come in, let me show you something. Now you know when I put my ground meat on, I like to go ahead and add my onions and bell pepper. I like that flavor to cook in there with it. Now I'm gonna still strain it, but it's gonna still have that onions and bell pepper flavor. I ain't gonna add no more seasoning to it right now. I'm gonna put my taco seasoning in it, and I might just put just a pinch of salt in there. Now, my potatoes, I didn't even peel them. I just washed them off real good. I got them boiling. Now, I'm just gonna use the potatoes inside, so it'll be easy to peel them once I get them boiled, and I'm gonna put a pinch of salt in there. Now, I got my shrimps here on the back burner, and I'm gonna add me some Old Bay seasoning, and you just wanna cook them, you know, just barely. You know, shrimp don't take long, right, when they turn. And put your little Old Bay seasoning there and boil them there. That's gonna be for my shrimp and my shrimp fries. And man, it's gonna be good. Now, I gotta hurry up and finish this video. It's Father's Day, and the kids are coming over. Now, I know you saying, well, why are you cooking? Because you know what, I got I know I taught my kids how to cook, but you know, sometimes these boys don't wash their hands. And you know,
Cooking Journal, you don't wash your hands either, so what you talking about?
ask somebody! Okay, welcome back to the Cooking Journal. Here go a quick tip. Now, see, I got my spaghetti. I got a broken hand. Now I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt to the water, right there. Now, my shrimps, already got them done. I'm gonna dice them up. That's gonna be for my potato fries, and they boiling. And also gonna add just a little olive oil to the water. So make sure we're here. There you go. That way they won't stick, and it gives them a good flavor. Alrighty. There we go. Back to the Cooking General Father's Day special. Now come in, let me show you what I'm doing. Check it out. Now, I got my ground meat already brown. It's ready to go. Now, I'm gonna put it on this eye, and we're gonna put it on about medium. Now, I'm gonna add me a couple of cans of this rotel. You're gonna put your couple of cans of rotel in there, and rinse these cans out, you know me. And a couple of cans tomato sauce. Throw them in there like that. Now, also gonna add a couple of packs of taco seasoning. There. And alrighty, right here. Get it all out of there. There. Move this back. I don't want to set no fire. Now, we're gonna also add a little garlic powder. Okay. Now, we're gonna get this stirred up and mixed up real good. And you can kind of just, if you need to add anything else, by taste, especially like a pinch of salt or whatever. Now, we get this going. Now, for my potatoes, now you're gonna smash your potatoes up. All right, there you go. This is potato smasher. Now, what you wanna do, you wanna add you a couple of things of sour cream in there. Now, I already got my bacon brown. You're gonna put your bacon in there. That. Okay. You wanna add your shrimps. I'll dice them up. And you can use your favorite cheese, which I'm gonna use cheddar. Now we're gonna mix this up here and combine it. I'm gonna make my patties. And I'm finna get ready to fry these here bad boys up, along with my spaghettis. And you talking about gonna be good. Man, this gonna be good now. Check this out now. I got my taco spaghettis on. I'm finna do my shrimp fries. You talking about good. And then you, I mean, you just gonna come back like this thing gonna say I don't wash my hands? I do wash my hands.
You don't wash your hands, they ain't clean. What a soap at, man? Put some soap on your hand.
Ask somebody.
What
That's
else?
your mixture. The only thing I did with that there, my potatoes, when I add my cheese and stuff to it, I just added a little more Old Bay season to it. And I add me a few onions, chopped onions in there. Then you shape them into a patty. Once you shape them into a patty, you dip them off in your flour. You take them to your egg wash. And then you'll grind up croutons. And your end result is like this here. And now they're ready to fry. Okay, y'all, there we go. Now, you want to set your oven for 350. The only thing we're going to do, we got everything mixed up. We put the spaghettis in there. Got everything mixed up. We put the cheese on top. Now, got the oven set for 350. Let's go ahead and throw this bar in here. And you're just going to bake it until your cheese melts. Now, these here, get your grease hot. See there? Good and still. Put them on there. We're going to fry these here until they're golden brown. Boy, I'm telling you, it's Cooking General. Man, ask somebody. Okay, there we go. Cooking General Holiday Special is finna conclude. Now, come here, let me show you what I did. Now, check it out here. You see them taco spaghetti? Get a close-up on that. Man, see, I garnished it with some tomatoes, put a little cilantro on top of it. Man, you talking about good. You can also even add sour cream to it when you serve it. And then, look at these here. Man, those shrimp fries are good. You talking about got the shrimp, it's got the cheese in it. I mean, it's got the bacon in it, fried potatoes. I mean, they good like that there. Very good. Boy, I'm telling you. Man, so all the fathers out there that's in the world, and even the women, you know what I'm saying, who cooking for the fathers and all of that, all y'all baby dads and all that stuff. If they special, they taking care of their business, hey, happy Father's Day to them. If they not, hey, boot them out there. Now, Cooking Jennifer to come back another one, but I know I ain't forgetting that. Did I forget anything?
Yes, forgot to wash your hands. Did you wash them?
Ask somebody.